Enhancing eyesight naturally, tips for optimal vision. Understanding eye health. Before we dive into tips for better eyesight, let's lay the groundwork by understanding the basics of eye health. From the importance of regular eye exams to common eye conditions, grasp the essentials to kickstart your journey to improved vision. Nutrition for healthy eyes. Explore the role of nutrition in maintaining optimal eye health. From foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E to omega-3 fatty acids, discover the powerhouse nutrients that support your eyesight and learn how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Eye exercises. Unlock a series of simple yet effective eye exercises designed to strengthen the muscles responsible for focusing. From the 20-20-20 rule to eye rolls and palming techniques, these exercises can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine for a vision boost. Blue light protection. In the digital age, our eyes face constant exposure to screens. Learn about the impact of blue light on eyesight and explore strategies to protect your eyes from digital eye strain. From screen filters to blue light blocking glasses, discover tools to alleviate eye discomfort. Adequate sleep. Uncover the profound connection between quality sleep and optimal vision. Dive into the science of how sleep impacts eye health and explore tips for creating a sleep environment conducive to the restoration of your eyesight. Hydration habits. Discover the importance of hydration for eye health. We'll explore how proper hydration supports the lubrication of your eyes and aids in preventing dryness and irritation. Learn practical tips to maintain adequate hydration throughout the day. Protective eyewear. Explore the significance of protective eyewear in maintaining healthy eyesight. From sunglasses that block harmful UV rays to safety goggles for specific activities, we'll guide you on choosing the right eyewear to shield your eyes from potential hazards. Mindful eye care. Uncover mindful practices that reduce eye strain in your daily activities. Whether you're reading, working on a computer, or engaging in hobbies, implement strategies to promote comfortable, strain-free vision. Regular eye checkups. Understand the importance of regular eye checkups and proactively managing your eye health. We'll guide you through what to expect during an eye exam and how these routine checkups contribute to early detection and prevention. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of natural ways to improve eyesight, remember that consistent, mindful practices contribute to long-term eye health. If you found these tips valuable, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights into maintaining optimal vision. Until next time, here's to a future with clearer, healthier eyesight.